Welcome to Top Secrets. You are watching Indo-China border tensions. It was the first high-level contact between the two sides since the standoff began months ago in the Himalayan region. Defense ministers of India and China have met in the Russian capital as the two Asian nuclear powers try to resolve rising tension along their disputed border in the eastern Ladakh region. The first Indo-China border tension happened in late May. Chinese forces objected to Indian road construction in the Galwan River Valley. According to Indian sources, melee fighting on 15 or 16 June 2020 resulted in the death of 20 Indian soldiers, including an officer, and casualties of 43 Chinese soldiers, including the death of an officer. Media reports stated that soldiers were taken captive on both sides and released in the coming few days. On the Indian side, 10 soldiers were reported to have been taken into captive, while the Chinese number remained unconfirmed. Later, the Chinese Foreign Ministry and the Indian Army denied any detention of Indian soldiers. On 25 July, news report emerged of disengagement at Galwan, Hot Spring and Gogra. As of 30 July, disengagement remained incomplete at Pangong Tiso and at PP-17A Gogra, while a complete disengagement and de-escalation between India and China was remaining. On 30 July, the Chinese ambassador to India said the process of clarifying the LAC could not continue because unilateral delimitation of the LAC caused more disputes. A day later, reports emerged that the Indian Army will continue enhancement deployment of the troops even through winter if the disengagement process was not complete. And of India reinforced the region with 12,000 additional workers who would assist India's border roads organization in completing the development of Indian infrastructure along the Sino-Indian border. Experts have postulated that the standoffs are Chinese preemptive measures in responding to the Darbuk Sayok DBO road infrastructure project also extensively developed their infrastructure in these disputed border regions and are continuing to do so. The revocation of the special status of Jammu and Kashmir in August 2019 by the Indian government has also troubled the Chinese. However, India and China have both maintained that there are enough bilateral mechanisms to resolve the situation through quiet diplomacy. Following the Galwan Valley skirmish on 15 June, numerous Indian government officials said that border tension will not impact trade between India and China, despite some Indian campaign about boycotting Chinese products. However, in the following days, various types of action were taken on the economic front, including cancellation and additional scrutiny of certain contracts with Chinese firms, and calls were also made to stop the entry of Chinese into strategic market in India such as telecom sector. Guys, think about this. Will it escalate more tensions? Are we heading towards another war? Tell me in the comment section. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next video. Take care.